The FIFA World Cup is currently underway. Millions of people are placing bets. Some win, some lose. But recently, I have been asking myself a different question. Can AI actually create a new source of income? Not by selling courses, not by building a startup, not by writing ebooks, but by making decisions. And so, before we start, this is not a financial advice. This is not gambling advice. This is an experiment. I have built and refined a football prediction prompt I call God Mode 6.2, analyzes forms, statistics, odds to identify what it believes to be the strongest selection. For the next 5 weeks, I am going to be using it every day and document every result, win or lose. Starting with £50, I will be placing a bet based on the recommendation of the prompt. Win or lose, you will see the result. If I win, I'm going to reinvest the same back into the betting and leave aside the profit. At the end of the week, I will take note to see how much I have made so far. And at the end of the season, you and I will both confirm how much I've made so far. Results will be published daily. No changing peaks after AI decides. I have just one question. Can AI generate a consistent source of income? To give you a bit of context on what the prompt looks like, this is an extensive prompt I've done so far, and it's called 6.2 to show you that, or to tell you that there have been varieties of versions around it, from 1.1, 1.2, 2.0, 3, all the way to 6.2. This is to give you an idea of how far we have iterated this prompt to get the best possible prediction so far. And so far it's been able to give us some good, some bad, and we've done some iterations so far, and now we want to confirm how far we can go. Is AI able to generate a consistent source of income? I'll show you guys day 1 and day 2 of my betting. Going back to showing you the God Mode 6.2, as you can see right here, it is God Mode 6.2. And to give you once again a bit of context, the way the prompt is designed is to give me some sort of confidence level in the pick. I tried to make my confidence level from 9.5 and above. That way I'm sure that the prediction or the selection has some sort of degree of success. And show you practically, once again, God Mode 6.2 right here. What I mean by confidence level, okay? As you can see right here, I took a screenshot of the screenplay. I wanted the prompt to analyze properly. It did its analysis and everything, and it gave me confidence level of 9.6 over 10. That is to show that there's a degree of success in the exact game itself. So I could go for this 9.6. I could see here 9.2 degree of success. I could see 8.6. Now this is not a gambling advice or a risk take, whatever it is, because some might say, okay, 8.6 may be good for them when it comes to the analysis, but I would love my success rate to be higher, so I tend to pick any confidence from 9.5 and above. 8.6, I do not know the game itself, but anyone who's a sport fan may be able to go for 8.6, but as I do not know sports in general, I will not be going for 8.6 because I want my odds to be higher, and I'm relying on the prompt to give you the best odds. I have shared this prompt earlier on in my previous video. If you will look through my playlist on the video list, you would see where I gave out this prompt, but I'm going to leave a link to the video right here. You could go watch the video to see and to also check out the prompt. Okay, back to the game. Confidence level 8.6. I will not be going for it per se. 8.3, I will not go for it. Now, 8.4, maybe not. Now, it gave us danger zone, games we should avoid. A risk taker when it comes to sport betting. So I'm going to be relying on the advice of the prompt to avoid these games, and it went further again to give us the games that are safe to play, which is this and this, with the winning rate and confidence level of 9.3. Did I play these games? It also gave us another set of games we could literally play also, but the confidence level 8.7. Like I said earlier on, I will not be going for 8.7 because it's not confident enough for me. So I'm going to be picking 9.3 with these two games. Did I play these two games? Let's see. Okay. Gonna open my sports betting now. The games are St. Patrick. The games are St. Patrick and FK Zalgiris, whatever it is. Did I play these games? Let's see. St. Patrick and this. I did play the game and I won. You could see from my previous games right here, I have been testing the prompt so far, and so far you could see the winnings right there. No gimmick, false gain. I'm just trying to see if AI could actually generate me a consistent source of income. Okay, now you could see right here, all green, all green, all green. This was on the 12th of June. This was on the 11th of June. You could see we've been playing for the past 4 days now. Day 1, day 2, and day 3. On the 10th, on the 11th, on the 12th. And today being the 13th, I've made my play for today. Now, on the 13th, the games that are of high confidence, I'm seeing 9.7, the game between Switzerland and Qatar. I'm seeing 9.4. It's a bit shaky, but 9.4 I could take it, but it's a bit of a risk for me because I would love a 9.5 and above. I see also 9.8. 9.8 has a high chance of success. I do not know the games like I said earlier on, but I'm basing my confidence on this. And once again, to be safe, I usually pick only 2 games to play, which should have a higher degree of success. But for today, out of my way, I played 3 games that have high success. I'm seeing here 8.9. I won't play this. 8.9. I will not play this. And they also gave us games to avoid. Games to avoid. Now it picked 2 games for us to play, but I went on to play 3 games. I picked 3 games, but I should have played those 2 games, which is what I usually do to be on the safer side. But why I played 3 games, I do not know. But I hope none of the game messed me up, because my earnings are in it. Not be that much, but my earnings are trying to prove that this is real. Now on the 13th being today, these are currently the games right there. 1, 2, 3. Usually I pick only 2 games, but I picked 3 this time around just to test. But I know it's not a smart move, but I hope the 3 games, one of them doesn't mess me up. We will see by the end of the day where I share the earnings for today. Well, we will see by the end of the match if there's a success in it. But until then, day 1, day 2, and day 3 have been a success. Let's move on to day 4. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow me in this journey, and let's see if I could make some success in it. Okay, until then, this is the Body Eye. Peace out.